Have you ever wondered why some people over 60 seem to stay healthy, energetic, and sharp, while others struggle with pain, fatigue, and recurring health issues? The truth is, your body's natural healing power doesn't just disappear with age, it simply needs the right support. In today's video, you'll discover how two of nature's oldest remedies, honey and cloves, when combined, can help fix up to 10 common problems that often come with aging. Backed by science and centuries of traditional wisdom, this natural duo may improve everything from inflammation and poor sleep to digestion, immunity, and even circulation. Stay with me to learn how it works, how to prepare it, and how fast you can start feeling results, often within just 7 days. Honey and cloves might seem like simple kitchen ingredients, but together they form one of nature's most remarkable healing combinations. This isn't just a folk remedy, it's supported by growing scientific research that reveals their extraordinary synergy. Each of them carries powerful bioactive compounds that fight inflammation, bacteria, and oxidative stress. But when you mix them, their benefits multiply, creating effects that go far beyond what either ingredient can do alone. Today, we'll explore how this combination may relieve 10 health problems common after 60, and why so many people are rediscovering this ancient secret for modern wellness. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's begin. Honey, nature's silent healer. Honey is far more than a natural sweetener. Inside every golden drop lies a complex mixture of more than 200 bioactive compounds that nourish, heal, and protect the body. For centuries, it's been used as a natural antibiotic, wound healer, and immune booster. Modern research now confirms what traditional healers already knew. Raw honey contains natural enzymes, antioxidants, and antibacterial agents that can fight harmful microbes and promote tissue repair. In 2020, scientists discovered something astonishing. They found that raw honey could eliminate drug-resistant bacteria, the kind even our most powerful antibiotics struggle to kill. It does this through a unique triple action: hydrogen peroxide, an antimicrobial peptide called defensin-1, and its naturally acidic pH work together to form a hostile environment where dangerous bacteria can't survive. When applied to wounds, honey also forms a moist healing barrier that regenerates tissue and prevents infection, a natural effect that no synthetic drug has ever fully replicated. Cloves, tiny buds, massive power. Now let's talk about cloves, small aromatic flower buds with extraordinary potency. Among all spices, cloves have the highest antioxidant capacity known to science, over 30 times stronger than blueberries. Their secret weapon is a compound called eugenol, which makes up nearly 90% of clove oil. Eugenol is a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever used even today in dentistry to ease toothaches and gum pain. Imagine your cells constantly bombarded by inflammation, free radicals, and stress. This silent attack accelerates aging and weakens your body's defenses. Eugenol acts like an elite team of bodyguards, neutralizing those harmful free radicals before they can damage your tissues. That's why cloves are often called one of the most protective spices in the world. When honey meets cloves, a healing synergy. On their own, honey and cloves are powerful, but when combined, they create something extraordinary, what scientists call pharmacological synergy. This means each ingredient enhances the other's effectiveness. Honey's acidity boosts the bioavailability of clove compounds by up to 300%, allowing your body to absorb them more easily. Meanwhile, cloves help preserve honey's delicate enzymes, preventing them from breaking down too quickly. The result is a powerful natural remedy that's anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant, working through multiple healing pathways at once. It helps calm inflammation, strengthen immunity, improve digestion, and even promote better sleep and circulation. And the best part? You can easily make it at home using simple ingredients. Now, let's go step by step through 10 health problems this mixture may help fix after 60, starting with one that affects millions every year. Number 10. Digestive discomfort. Digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, or irregular bowel movements are extremely common after 50. As we age, stomach acid levels drop, enzyme production slows down, and the gut's microbial balance shifts, often leading to discomfort after meals. Cloves naturally stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down proteins and fats more efficiently. This can significantly reduce gas, bloating, and the heavy feeling that lingers after eating. Honey plays a different but equally important role. It acts as a gentle prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut that are essential for proper digestion and immune health. Together, they help restore a healthy gut environment and calm inflammation along the intestinal lining. A 2018 study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that a honey and clove extract reduced intestinal inflammation and improved gut barrier strength. This barrier is what keeps harmful toxins out of your bloodstream. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey with a pinch of ground cloves in warm water. Drink it 15 minutes before meals. Over a week, you may notice less bloating, smoother digestion, and a calmer, more balanced gut. Number 9. Oral health problems. Oral health often declines with age due to gum sensitivity, dry mouth, and bacterial buildup. But this simple duo can help protect your teeth and gums naturally. Cloves are a time-tested dental remedy. Their eugenol content acts as a natural anesthetic and antibacterial agent. It reduces pain, swelling, and fights bacteria that cause gum disease, tooth decay, and bad breath. Honey might surprise you here. Though sweet, it has antibacterial properties that actually reduce oral bacteria, especially when used in small therapeutic amounts. Studies show that honey can speed gum healing, soothe mouth ulcers, and even reduce plaque formation. In a 2017 comparison study, clove oil performed as effectively as benzocaine, a common dental numbing agent, for pain relief. When combined with honey's soothing enzymes, the result is a powerful oral tonic that supports healing and freshness. How to use: mix half a teaspoon of raw honey with a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves into a thick paste. Apply gently to your gums and let sit for 2-3 minutes before rinsing. Do this once daily for a week. You'll feel less tenderness, fresher breath, and noticeably healthier gums. Number 8. Low energy and fatigue. Feeling tired even after a good night's sleep? That constant fatigue is often a result of poor nutrient absorption, oxidative stress, or sluggish circulation. Honey and cloves work together to recharge your system naturally. Honey provides steady, clean energy through natural glucose and fructose, the kind your body can use efficiently without causing blood sugar crashes. It fuels your brain, muscles, and heart. Cloves support this process by protecting your mitochondria, the power stations inside your cells, from oxidative damage. Eugenol increases oxygen flow to your tissues and improves microcirculation, ensuring every organ receives the energy it needs. Together, they enhance stamina and mental alertness without the jittery side effects of caffeine. Regular use may help you wake up refreshed, maintain steady energy throughout the day, and recover faster after physical activity. Within a week, many people notice a gentle but persistent lift. Not a quick spike, but true vitality returning. A teaspoon of honey with a pinch of cloves in warm water each morning can jumpstart your day naturally, boosting energy from the inside out. Number 7. High blood sugar and cravings. Managing blood sugar becomes crucial after 60, as insulin sensitivity tends to decline. While honey is sweet, small controlled amounts don't cause sharp spikes, especially when paired with cloves. Clove extract has been shown to improve how your cells use insulin, helping glucose enter cells efficiently. This keeps your energy stable and reduces sugar cravings that often lead to overeating. Honey helps too. It satisfies your sweet tooth naturally while delivering trace minerals and antioxidants that processed sugars lack. The combination of honey and cloves slows the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those highs and lows that make you feel drained or irritable. Studies suggest that people who regularly consume clove extract show reduced fasting glucose and improved insulin function. When paired with honey, the taste is pleasant yet therapeutic, a great alternative to sugary desserts. How to use: stir 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of ground cloves into warm water or herbal tea. Drink it in the morning or mid-afternoon. Over time, you'll find fewer cravings, steadier moods, and a more balanced metabolism. Number 6. Poor sleep and restlessness. Good sleep is essential for healing, memory, and mood, yet many seniors struggle to rest through the night. Honey and cloves offer a simple, natural way to support restful sleep. Honey helps the brain release serotonin, which converts to melatonin, your body's sleep hormone. It also prevents blood sugar dips during the night that can trigger wakefulness. Cloves add a calming effect. Their natural eugenol content reduces nerve tension, eases minor aches, and promotes overall relaxation. Together, they quiet the nervous system and reduce nighttime inflammation that often causes restlessness or discomfort. A small study found that people who took clove-infused honey before bed experienced longer deep sleep cycles and woke up feeling more refreshed. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a pinch of clove powder in warm water before bedtime. Sip slowly. After several nights, you may notice it's easier to fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up peacefully, without grogginess. This is one of the simplest yet most effective bedtime tonics nature offers. Number 5. Weak immunity and frequent colds. Your immune system naturally weakens with age, leaving you more vulnerable to infections. The honey and clove duo is a potent immune fortifier. Cloves are rich in antimicrobial and antiviral compounds that target harmful bacteria and viruses. Eugenol has been shown to suppress viral replication and reduce inflammation in immune tissues. Honey complements this with its broad-spectrum antibacterial power and antioxidants that neutralize free radicals. Together, they strengthen white blood cell activity, your body's main defense force, and help maintain balanced immune responses. Regular use may reduce the frequency of colds, coughs, and sore throats. In fact, honey and clove extracts are now being explored in natural throat lozenges for their combined soothing and immune-boosting effects. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a pinch of ground clove daily, preferably in the morning. You can also dissolve it in warm water for a mild tonic. Within a week, you may feel more resilient, fewer sniffles, quicker recovery, and renewed strength throughout the day. Number 4. Joint pain and inflammation. Aching joints are one of the biggest barriers to enjoying an active life after 60. This natural blend may offer gentle, consistent relief. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound proven to reduce inflammatory enzymes similar to how nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, work, but without harsh side effects. It helps ease swelling and stiffness in joints and muscles. Honey supports this process by reducing oxidative stress that contributes to tissue wear and tear. Its natural enzymes also aid in collagen production, essential for maintaining healthy cartilage and flexibility. When combined, they act as both protectors and healers of your joints. Over time, daily use can reduce morning stiffness and make movement smoother. You might notice it's easier to garden, take walks, or even climb stairs without discomfort. How to use: mix a teaspoon of honey and a pinch of cloves into warm water or tea. Drink once daily or twice during flare-ups. Consistent use can help your joints feel younger, freer, and more resilient. Number 3. High blood pressure and poor circulation. Circulation naturally weakens with age, leading to cold hands, fatigue, or even dizziness. Honey and cloves together help support vascular health in several ways. Clove antioxidants relax blood vessels, reducing pressure on arterial walls. Eugenol improves nitric oxide levels, a key molecule that helps arteries expand and blood flow freely. Honey adds minerals like potassium and magnesium that balance electrolytes and support heart rhythm. Together, they help your heart pump more efficiently while gently lowering elevated blood pressure. Better circulation also means sharper mental focus, warmer extremities, and less strain on your cardiovascular system. A 2019 study showed that clove extract helped reduce both systolic and diastolic pressure in older adults. Combined with honey's natural balancing properties, it becomes a delicious daily tonic for heart health. How to use: mix a teaspoon of raw honey and a pinch of cloves into warm water or tea every morning. Over time, you may notice steadier energy, better endurance, and a calmer, more balanced heartbeat. Number 2, memory decline and brain fog. Cognitive slowdown doesn't have to be inevitable. The brain thrives on antioxidants, stable glucose, and reduced inflammation. Exactly what honey and cloves provide. Clove compounds like eugenol and gallic acid protect neurons from oxidative damage that accelerates memory loss. They also enhance neurotransmitter activity, supporting learning and focus. Honey fuels brain cells with gentle, sustained glucose, avoiding energy crashes that impair clarity. This combination promotes sharper thinking, quicker recall, and mental calmness. Research suggests that the antioxidants in cloves may even protect against neurodegenerative conditions by slowing nerve inflammation. For seniors, even small improvements in focus can boost confidence and independence. How to use: take 1 teaspoon of honey mixed with a pinch of ground cloves daily. Morning is ideal to support mental alertness. After a week or two, many people report improved focus, better recall of names and tasks, and a noticeable lift in mood and mental energy. Number 1, premature aging and weak skin health. Aging skin reflects what's happening inside the body. Oxidative stress, poor circulation, and declining collagen. Honey and cloves target these factors from the root. Honey nourishes the skin with amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that promote collagen synthesis and moisture retention. Cloves detoxify the blood, reducing acne, dullness, and uneven tone caused by internal inflammation. Together, they improve microcirculation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to skin cells. Over time, this results in smoother texture, brighter tone, and a youthful glow from within. The antioxidants in cloves protect against UV-induced damage, while honey's enzymes gently renew skin tissue. How to use: take 1 teaspoon of honey and a pinch of cloves daily, or apply the mix topically as a nourishing mask once a week. Within days, you'll notice fresher, more radiant skin, not from makeup, but from genuine cellular renewal. So, what happens when you mix honey and cloves every day for just 1 week? You're not just soothing symptoms, you're rejuvenating your entire system from the inside out. From stronger immunity and calmer digestion to sharper focus, better sleep, and glowing skin. This ancient blend works in harmony with your body's natural rhythms. It's simple, affordable, and safe for most adults. A true superfood remedy straight from nature's pharmacy. Try it for 7 days and see the changes for yourself. Start with 1 teaspoon of raw honey mixed with a pinch of ground clove daily, morning or night. Remember, small daily habits lead to big, lifelong results. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit. Your support helps us bring more natural wellness tips every week.